Hello, class, and welcome to the skeletal system and integumentary system. We are on a new week. It is Tuesday morning, and we have the hardest quiz out of the way, as well as the CAT Prep 1 assignment. So I'm going to address both of those real quick. So this quiz was understandably one of the hardest, and I've got a lot of concerns risen from parents and students just saying this quiz was super difficult. And why didn't we have a word bank and all these things? But that's okay. I really actually kind of looking at it now, I wish we actually did use a word bank. It would have made it a lot easier. But college isn't always easy, and this class is supposed to imitate a college class. And all of my classes that I had, and my brother's anatomy class that he's in right now, they don't really use these word banks. That's just something that they use a lot in high school, but college gets a little bit more difficult. In real life, in the real world, you're not going to have a word bank with you. So that being said, I'm going to make a couple new good policies, class policies for you guys that will help you a lot. So the first one is I'm going to drop your lowest quiz grade you receive each semester. So if this quiz was the lowest you scored, then I'm going to drop it and pretend it never happened. But that being said, you can't do that on all. You can't score a 50 on all of your quizzes and all of them will be dropped. No, it's only one time thing. So if this was the lowest, then it'll be dropped. But if you did well on this one and a different quiz in the future is your lowest, then that one will be dropped. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make extra credit your best friend. So if you want to utilize extra credit, then talk to me because we have that creation museum exhibit museum thing. And also, I'd just love to work with you if you want to just grade your grade up and you're not happy with it. So let's look at the homework for this week. So for Module 3, I want you to complete the study guide and the coloring pages 39, 41, 43, 45, 49, 53. And 57 and 59, complete them, but don't label them. Okay, so again, 57 and 59, complete them, but don't label them. Put a little bit of time and effort, guys, into those coloring pages. Some of you do really well, and some of you just pretty much scribble a little bit and put a couple lines, and it's evident that you didn't put more than like 2 or 3 minutes into each page. So I would like to see a little bit more effort into those. Also, purchase Essential Anatomy 3, 5, or Essential Skeleton and use it to help study the skeletal system. It is incredibly useful, so it's definitely worth the investment for this module, and also when we get into the skeletal system and all that later. Next week, we're going to have an exam overview, which means I'm going to list all the images that will be on the exam, and you'll be able to look around, take notes, and get super prepared for the coming test. So it's going to be an incredible opportunity for you just to really know what you're going to expect, and I'm pretty much hand feeding you guys everything you need to get a good grade on this exam. So let's go over the CAT Prep 1 assignment real quick. So unfortunately, a lot of you guys didn't go according to APA formatting, and which is kind of weird because I put out videos and everything you really need to know to do well on this thing. So right, going down here, see right here I put the CAT Prep assignment instructions, and this video right here gave you everything you need to know. And some of you guys put out whole research papers and they still weren't what I wanted for this assignment. And so I gave you, some of you, if you put in a ton of effort into it, I gave you still like an 80 or 90, but you didn't include what I wanted. And if you would have watched this video or looked at the paper, it would have told you that. So where is it? Right here, I think. Yeah, here we go. So look, it's super simple. All I wanted you guys to do is just make like 1 or 2 paragraphs, just including the following things. Look, I have, for in-text citations, I have 1 author, Reed 2007. Then I have 2, Jenkins and Flingohink. And then I have 3 down here, Howard E.T., or multiple, the multiple citation, Howard E.T.A.L. And for the paraphrased ones, I have the same one down here. Bovey, which 2017, which is 1, Albert and Miller 2012, that's 2, and Jenkins ETAL 2014, that's multiple authors. And that's all I had to be, was 2 paragraphs. And if you guys watched that video, you would have known that. And see, I have then just other than that was just the basic formatting and with the header and the title page. And so guys, really pay attention with instructions. And when I put stuff out on the website, the best way to hack this class and get a really good grade is just to watch what I give you guys, and because I tell you what you need to do to get a good grade. But a lot of you wasted a lot of unnecessary time by doing just pretty much a research paper when I didn't really want that. I just wanted you to show me that you knew the formatting of APA. And with that being said, I'm right now testing, listen, right now I am testing if you are listening to this video because Albert likes good grades. So what I want you guys to do, if you see this right now and you're watching this video, which I'm sure that only a couple of you will do, if you're watching this video and you see Albert's face here, you need to text me or email me saying that Albert likes good grades. Albert likes good grades. That's all I want you to do. Just send me a text or email me, or on Grace Anatomy website, just say Albert likes good grades with your name. If you do that, I'm going to give you extra credit on both that paper and the quiz, 10% extra. So if you got a 70 on that last quiz, you now get an 80. If you got an 80 on that last paper, you now get a 90. Okay, I'm not going to do this every week, but this is an experiment to see how many of you guys actually watch these videos. Okay, see, Albert likes good grades, send me that and you get extra credit. It's pretty simple, isn't that? All right, other than that, guys, that is it. Make sure you do the homework, come prepared next week. Look through these presentations. I put the videos here, the crash course videos for integumentary system and your bones. Please download this lecture. Come to class next week prepared. I look forward to seeing you guys, praying for you hard. Come to me, tell me, email me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you guys, and if you need tutoring after class or anything, I'm always there till 3 on Mondays after. So please let me know. All right, I will see you guys next week. Have a great week.